An all-time favorite and healthy Asian dish, rich in vegetables and herbs, dipping in sweet chili sauce. So fresh, so healthy, so yummy. Xin chào, it's Pam again from Tiger in the Kitchen. Today I'm saying hello in Vietnamese because we are making Vietnamese spring rolls with Nuoc Cham. You can correct my pronunciation in the comment if I didn't pronounce it correctly. Okay, let's jump right in. Starting with Nuoc Cham dipping first. This sauce is really light and refreshing, just so perfect with the rolls. And we are going to need garlic, chilies, lime, sugar, fish sauce, and some warm water. We're gonna finely chop both chilies and garlic. And for the lime, I love massaging it before using to get more juice. My mom taught me this and it actually works. Two tablespoons sugar in the bowl. Ten tablespoons warm water. Then give it a stir until the sugar melts. 2 tablespoons fish sauce. And 1 tablespoon lime juice. And I learned this from my Vietnamese friend. She said her mom recipe includes some pulps as well. And here goes minced chilies and garlic. And stir, 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 and done for the dipping sauce. Now let's prepare the rolls. Cook the rice vermicelli according to the package. Mine was soaked in a room temperature water for 3 minutes, then boiled for another 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, now let me taste if it's cooked. Okay, all good. Now drain them in the colander, then rinse in cold water to stop the cooking process. And we're just going to set them aside. Then boil the peeled and deveined prawns. Mine look cooked already, but it's frozen prawns, so I'm gonna boil them again quickly, then soak in iced water. And once the prawns are cooled down, cut them in half lengthwise. And we need carrot and cucumber. You can julienne them both or shred the carrot like I do. And lettuce. If the stems are a bit hard, you can remove them before putting on the rice sheet, so it's easier to roll. And we're soaking the rice sheet in warm water one by one. The timing depending on your water temperature and the sheet's brand, since some are thicker and some are thinner. Since they love sticking on the board, so wipe the board with a bit water. Place the sheet down, then start with lettuce, and then everything else on top. We don't want a hard texture placing directly on the sheet, since it can break the rice sheet. And trust me, you will love the coriander in it. Gives so much freshness to this menu. And then prawns on the top here. Place the colorful side on the sheet so it's visible once it's rolled. Hold the sheet from the bottom. Use the rest of your fingers holding the vegetables, then roll it up. Press and pull down gently. And then fold both sides in. Then seal. And done. Look at that. Okay, let's do it together one more time. Okay, I cannot wait anymore. I have to taste now. I love cutting them in half before eating, so when I dip, the sauce can go inside. So refreshing. This dish tastes really healthy. Wow, love it. And if you love this dish too, give me a thumb up. Okay guys, I really can't wait to eat the rest, and I gotta see you again next recipe. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you guys a lovely, awesome day. Love you all. Bye.